Okay, little surprise, we're back for round 2. Didn't think you'd actually want to see more, but you asked, so here we are. Today we're making hot honey pepperoni pizza in the convection microwave with steam function. No big intro, let's just jump straight in. So today we're in our Torino motorhome. This has been a part of the TRAKKA range since 2002, based on the Fiat-based long wheelbase. So overall length, think 6 meters. Standard car license, standard car space, easy driving. Layout wise, we've got our swivel front seats, moving through a lovely wide gallery into the rear, which has got long north-south day lounges or single beds that you can convert to a lovely big bed. The biggest feature of this model, and I guess across the TRAKKA range, is our 48-volt electrical system, which is allowing for huge inverted power without having to do any switchover, and the use of more 240-volt appliances when you are off-grid. Let's get into it. So for ingredients, we've got pizza dough, which I've just store-bought, defrosted from the freezer. We've got pizza sauce, pepperoni, pizza cheese, a bit of chili flakes, hot honey that we've made, a bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. You'll also need some baking paper and then an oven mitt for getting hot tray out of the oven. So before we get cracking, I've got the dough sitting on some semolina, and we've just had it out to rest for about an hour just to get it down to room temp. We're going to get our convection microwave prepped and ready, and then we'll get into the making of pizza. So convection microwave comes with 3 different trays. For today's purpose, we're going to use just the flatbed. We're going to preheat that in the oven so that when we put the pizza on, it's already piping hot. So behind this little panel, got the bottom of the microwave and our little water canister that we're going to fill to produce the steam. So this will go straight back in, and this will clip straight in like that. So dough, we're just going to gently spread it out, just using our fingers. No need to roll it. Back of a spoon, spread out your pizza sauce. Spread out a little pieces of pepperoni. Now remember, not an Italian authentic chef by any means. This is just so you can see some of the functions of our convection microwave. And then we're just going to sprinkle with a little bit of cheese. Don't need to go too crazy. As soon as that oven is finished preheating, you do want to get the food in there pretty quick so that you don't lose that preheat. On this panel here, we can see output. So once we actually get the convection microwave oven, you'll notice the outlet starts to jump up in wattage. So for today, we're using a combination function, which is a mix of both grill and convection. So we'll come over here to combination, scroll through to 7, and then simply press start. Now we can see we're preheating. So this will take about 5 to 6 minutes. You get a better function, I guess, out of the oven if it's already hot when you put the pizza in. Oven's finished preheating. I'm going to quickly open, get the tray out, pop the pizza on. Noticing it's on the top level there, so it gets a good grill. We're going to put our time in. I'm just going to put 12 minutes. We'll come back and check it at 10 and press start. I'm going to come up here to the steam. Hold it for 2 seconds, press it again, so I've got 2 minutes up there. So what that steam function is going to do is puff up that crust so that it can be nice and grilled afterwards. You'll also notice venting down the here, you can actually feel the heat coming out from that steam function. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god, yeah, that's really good. Success!
I'm going to keep eating this.
Yeah.
No.
Thanks, Jules.